Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute all standing no repeat ab workout. So we got 10 different exercises that we're just going to go through once. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of break. So since everything's standing, we don't need a mat. What we need is just a pair, not a pair, one moderate to heavyweight dumbbell. Also, don't forget your water and your towel. Everything will be low impact, no jumping at all. If you enjoy this workout, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. Okay guys, if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 10분 동안 반복 없는 서서하는 복근 운동을 해볼 건데요. 오늘은 총 10가지 운동을 한 세트만 해볼 겁니다. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어지고 오늘 필요하신 거는 다 서서하는 동작들이니 매트는 필요 없으시고요. 무거운 중간 무게나 무거운 덤벨 하나만 준비해 주시면 됩니다. 그리고 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올 잊지 마시고요. 오늘 동작들은 층감 소음 없는 동작들입니다. 그리고 이 운동 영상을 즐기셨다면 좋아요와 구독 꼭 부탁드리고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 눌러주세요. 자, 그럼 여러분 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Get ready everyone, let's go and get started with the warm-up. Big arm circles, 4, 3, 2, 1, hamstring curl. 4 kicks, 4, 3, 2, 1, hamstring curl. 4 kicks, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing your arms like side to side. Hip openers, 3, 2, 1. Other side, 3, 2, and 1. Hands on your shoulders, rotate, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jog it up for 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's go and get started with the first exercise. We are starting with the side bend. 45 seconds here, grab your weight. Bend high, 12 pound here. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keeping the back straight. Inhale, exhale. Now you can have your hands here if you like, or right here. Good job. Keep going. Only one time through. Give everything you got. Take a break. Number 2, we're going to do the other side. Shoulders back and down. Ready? Right here. And here we go. To your right. Make sure you don't drop your shoulders. Shoulders are square. Inhale. Exhale. Now make sure your knees are bending, not your lower back. Arms just up to your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze your hips on the way up. Keep going.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now.
Take a break. Number 4, we are doing oblique twist right here. So keep going. Squat to your left, squat to the right. Now modification, squat, turn, and then you look. Make sure you're turning from the waist. Inhale, exhale.
Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
Keep going.
Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now.
And take a break. Number 5, we are doing 4 lunge with rotation. Number 5, only to the left. Here we go. 4 lunge, rotate from the waist. Now if you see me from the side, knees are bent. Make sure your hips are not turning. Good.
Trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
Good job.
Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for
Take a break.
new start.
Right side next. Number 6. Good. Number 6, right side. Here we go.
Looking for
Rotate. Good job, everyone.
Looking for a new start.
Keep going.
Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Looking for a new start.
Halfway through.
Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
Take a break. Okay, next one. We are doing no weight. Oblique crunch. Next.
She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this
7.
ain't a lie.
Right here.
'Cause I'm
So you don't have to touch your knee to your elbow. Just go as low as you can. Keep the back straight.
The ground, all I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we
Inhale,
have.
exhale,
We are now.
and then repeat.
All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions. Tell me, what do you have in mind?
And then 8, we are doing high knee pull.
Tell me, what do you have in mind?
5 times per leg. So I'll show you from the side and from the front. You're gonna slightly lean forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. have been.
Stay low. Here. Press out.
Tell me what do you have in mind?
Right here. Feel it in your core as you press out.
Tell me what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know something. Tell me what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know something. Tell me what do you have in mind?
And last one, we are doing opposite knee to elbow. So down with the weights, right here. Ooh, number 10. This is it. Here we go. Slightly turning from your waist. Exhale, inhale. Good. You don't have to touch your knee to elbow if you can't. Bring your knee high enough to touch, not your elbow low to tap your knee. Good job here. Exhale, inhale. And we are done. Great job, everyone. I'm gonna stop the timer. Get water. Okay, shoulder roll out. 3, 2, 1. Shoulder stretch. Other side. Just holding the weight, you get a good arm workout in. Slightly lean back, open, up, slowly bend forward. Quad stretch. Switch. Heel down, toes up, hips back, plie squat, hamstring calf stretch. Now plie squat, rotate, switch. Toes forward, hips back. Left over right, gently press it down. Hip flexor stretch. Switch. And then we'll finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we are done for today. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me today. Hope you enjoy the workout. Have a great day. And if you have any great workout suggestions, please write in the comments below or anything you'd like to share. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.